Hello and welcome to Trader KE, your simple and easy to understand tutorials hub for crypto, forex and stocks. So today I'm going to give you an overview of the tutorials that we will be providing here. We're going to go over the basics of cryptocurrencies. What is crypto? What is the concept of blockchain? What is Bitcoin? Also, we are going to go over the need for crypto as an investment tool. We'll go over decentralized finance, DeFi, as a safe haven tool. We're also going to go over the basics of P2P trading. Who is a buyer? Who is a seller? The concept of escrow, how disputes are solved, and how can you make money from P2P trading. From there, we'll advance and we'll move on to spot trading. What is a pair? The concept of a quote and base asset, the type of orders, market, limit, and so on. After that, we'll move over to margin trading. What is margin? The concept of leverage, the types of orders when you're doing margin trading. What is too long? What is too short? Isolated margin versus cross margin. After margin trading, we'll advance to futures. We'll explain derivatives, perpetual contracts, quarterly contracts, the difference between USDM and CoinM futures, and the other concept in crypto, which we'll also go over: staking, how to hold your own crypto, generating passive income from crypto, participating in governance, trading on a decentralized exchange, the concept of NFTs and digital collectibles, providing liquidity and making money from that. After crypto, we'll move over to forex markets. We're going to go over the basics of forex trading. For example, what is forex? Foreign exchange. The concept of pairs and pips, spread. We'll go over how to start forex trading, give you an overview of brokerages, the fees, the ease of access, and other features such as supported payment methods, the security, reputation of the platform. After that, we'll go over on how you can make an income from forex trading. We'll give you trading strategies, for example, scalping. How do you calculate your profit or loss? We're going to give you an overview of risk management, how to set stop loss orders. The other thing of which there'll be, among others, is how to automate forex trading. That is creating a trading bot. How do you build your own bot? And how do you integrate, or how do you set up the bot on the brokerage? And more topics will come, of course, as we go over. And the other bit is stock market trading. When we go over the basics of stocks or shares, we'll understand the concept of stocks, for example, and what are stocks. We'll go over stock exchanges, for example, the Nairobi Stock Exchange, and how do you invest in stocks? How do you buy? How do you sell a stock? And how do you generate generational wealth through stocks? For example, you can dollar cost average into blue chip stocks for long term holding, for example 5 to 20 years. Or we also go over into day trading stock, that is, you buy and sell within the day. Can you make an income out of this? There's a lot to learn together, and we'll begin with very simple concepts as we advance. Our goal is to educate as many as possible. Let's have people literate in terms of trading. And our tutorials will take you or anyone from zero experience to a pro trader. So as we start, I recommend you get people to come to our channel. These are people who have been seeking information of crypto, forex, and stock trading. More content. Our content will be uploaded almost on a daily basis. So I'm very excited to begin this journey together with you. And remember to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.